Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to create passkey in WhatsApp. Friends, if you don't want to wait for OTP to log in to your WhatsApp, then you can create passkey in WhatsApp which will help you to install and log in to WhatsApp without OTP. So open your WhatsApp app. Now here to create passkey, you need to press on the three dots. Now press on settings. Now in settings, you need to press on account. Now in account, under login and security, press on passkeys. Now press on create passkey. Now here you can create passkey. I am creating pin. Now I have successfully created my passkey for WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.